everyone, and welcome to Trending in My Life. And this week I'm at a car show. It's really fabulous. Join me and see all the excitement. If I stayed here all day, nothing could top that experience of being invited to sit in the front seat of that car. Rewind to what happened. I was just taking some photos of this fantastic Mustang when this occurred. Really? Wow! Thank you so much. Oh my goodness.
You push the button on the dash. Push the little red button. Down on the dash, down here.
That one? Sorry, that one?
Go and push it. Push
it.
Yeah. Take some photos.
Oh my god, that's fabulous. Thank you.
Yeah. You can't start on nothing you want.
Okay. Wow, so I'm inside this car. The nice owner said, would I like to sit inside? Press the red button and I could look at all of this. This is amazing. This is truly amazing. Wow, look at that. Ooh. That's so cool. And let's have a look at the car. It's quite something. Wow. Cool. There. Gosh, that's amazing. It's also very hot in here, so I'm going to get out. Wow. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much. You made my day. After that amazing experience, let's look around the rest of the car show. Oh, look. This one's got its window open so we can look inside. Oh, that's cool. A little selection of minis here. 1, 2, 3. Yep, this is beautiful. Look. I love the little guy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend and come back next time. Bye for now.